Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this math. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 5 times 8 is what? 40. Divide by this 40, which is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. Now, according to order of operation, let's use order of operation. We have to solve for the bracket first. We'll solve what is inside the bracket. Then multiplication, division first, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, 4 plus 5 will give us what? 4 plus 1, sorry, will give us 5. Remember, there's multiplication here. Any number that is close to parentheses is there's automatic multiplication. So here's what? 8. Divide by what? 40. Let's write it properly. Now, division comes before multiplication. So 40 divided by 8 is what? 5 times this 5. So 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. This is our final answer. So our answer is what? 25.